Hello everyone. Every order I receive is special, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes to show how I pack your handmade nameplate with love and care. So, to start with, I clean the surface. For the packaging, the basic needs are one is bubble wrap, then you also need a thermocol sheet so that if the product is fragile, it doesn't get broken. Now, I carefully place the product on the um, thermocol sheet and then wrap the bubble wrap around it so that it is fit properly. I prefer not to use any kind of sticky sellotape because then while opening the product, the opening the packaging, I mean the product might break. What I use instead is this little sellotape which is not so sticky so that while opening it easily gets opened and it doesn't cause any harm to the product. It is always a good idea to cut off the extra bubble wrap if at all there's any. Otherwise, we end up using a bigger box, which adds up to the more logistic costs. So you can see how I do the packaging of the bubble wrap first thing on the product, how I wrap the bubble wrap around the product. Once this is done, I place the product uh, inside a cloth bag. Now, this particular packaging, this video I have taken for a product or for the order which I received from e-commerce websites Vende. So the branding is theirs in this particular video, as you can see. Once the basic packaging of safety is done, I place the product inside the cloth bag. It gives it more aesthetic look, also adds on to the security of the product. Then placing the store card, which help customer understand how the product is made, what are the values of the brand, and things like that. It is always a better idea to add a thank you note because it is good to show the customers that they mean a lot to you. Okay, if possible, adding a freebie would also help. Now for cushioning, I usually prefer using newspaper because it is eco-friendly and it fills in all the extra spaces, which gives proper cushion to the product. So in during logistics or during transportation, the product doesn't move inside, and chances of damages are very less. And newspaper works best for it. Now, once everything is packed properly, along with your store card, if you want a thank you card and everything else, I seal the box and I seal it twice just to make sure that it doesn't get open during the transportation. You can see how I do it in the video. I just do it, seal it twice. The next part comes the address. So before pasting the address onto the box, I double check the address and then only then it is ready to be shipped. Okay, so I had already taken the printout of the address. I do the double checking of the address and then paste it. Since my products are handmade products and they are quite fragile, I also include a fragile tape so that it is well communicated to the logistics team that the product is fragile and it might break, so it has to be handled with care. Okay, so this is how I do packaging for my product. I would love to hear from you if you have any queries or if you have any suggestions for the same. Thank you for supporting Handmade. Thank you for supporting. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.